Today, we're going to be talking with Nate Lommel, the leader of our tech support department. We're going to talk you through how to access our 24/7 support line, what things are helpful to get you the help as fast as possible, and kind of the phone number and what to expect when you call that. Nate, maybe start us off with what is the 24/7 support line?
Sure. Thanks, Joe. And welcome everybody. Again, my name is Nate. So our 24/7 support line is call it a emergency or backup support for our customers that maybe run 2, 3 shifts or possibly start their shifts early in the morning. So what it is allows our customers outside of normal business hours.
Nate, honestly, what is the 24/7 support number? What number do we call to get to our 24/7 technicians?
Sure. Best number is very the same one that we call during normal business hours. So it is the 1-800-785-3391. And whether you're calling during normal business hours or after hours, what you're going to hear is a couple of prompts, but specific to the after hours phone. You're going to hear probably 3 options you're going to have to select, more so kind of identifying what machine you're calling on. And you'll hear a couple of, or hear some recordings talking through, for this machine or that machine. But basically, you're kind of selecting 1, 2, or 3 to route you to the correct technician for the product or machine that you're calling in on.
Wonderful. And what information would you recommend a customer have to make sure we get the fastest possible experience and get us to that troubleshooting point as quickly as possible?
When calling in, it's helpful to have your serial number of the machine. That way we can start the case right away. Also calling if you're doing any computer or controls related, that's nice to have the Teamviewer information ready. That way we've got an ID and a password. We can get that to the technician right away. He can get logged into your machine and start diving into the issue. Sorry.
Perfect. So, that serial number, that tends to be something that's critical to all the support we give. And we understand that, a customer might have 3 of the exact same Titans or Sawjets or something like that, but there are small differences between maybe different serial numbers. So having that serial number ensures that we're troubleshooting the exact one that you're having the troubles with. Any other information you would recommend our customers have or be ready with outside of like the Teamviewer and the serial number?
Depending upon the situation or what the particular issue is, sometimes having voltmeter handy, any specific tools, wrenches, is nice to have. That we don't have to run around digging for tools or waiting on the phone with the customer. So a lot of it depends there again what the issue is. So if it's more controls related, biggest thing is with the Teamviewer information. But if you are looking for mechanical or even electrical issues, like I said, the voltmeter is ideal to have ready. Make sure it's powered up, whether it's battery operated or whatnot. So kind of the tools that you can think of that might be necessary for whatever issue you're dealing with.
Nate, on the 24/7 line, like the daytime support line, is Teamviewer Pilot handy to have available should you need it, even on the mechanical issues?
Absolutely. Teamviewer Pilot is a handy tool, especially for those machine or mechanical related issues. That way we can get a visual of what you're seeing on your end from the shop, for having troubles communicating as far as what part to look at. So that visual is very helpful for us, and we can kind of note on that screen or device you're using as far as where we're trying to direct you to, as far as specific locations or things to look at and check.
Nate, any parting thoughts with the 24/7?
If you do call the 24/7 line and by chance get forwarded to the voicemail, please ensure you're leaving a clear message. There again, it's helpful to leave the serial number you're calling in on. Make sure you're clearly stating the phone number that we can call you back on, just to help make sure that tech can get back to you as quick as he can. And that way, if he's maybe on the line with another customer, he can prep a case, get everything kind of started so we can jump right into the troubleshooting process. So
wonderful. So in closing, beyond just standard tools and voltmeters for being able to do some troubleshooting, Teamviewer on the machine or Teamviewer Pilot, maybe both of them are 2 handy tools to have, at your fingertips ready. And then lastly, that exact serial number, so our technicians can pull up the exact build of how that machine is configured, so we can get through that troubleshooting process as fast as possible. We hope most of our customers don't have to use the 24/7 line, but it is there, and we want to keep you running just as it's kind of spelled out, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So if you need it, absolutely give us a call. We'll be happy to help.